So I am going to take the walking tour of New Delhi. Today it's raining in Delhi, India. So let's see how does the capital city of India is looking after rain. So this is the condition of the capital city India after rain. It's raining from night today, and this is the Janpath metro station, and I am outside of Janpath metro station. This is one of the post locality of New Delhi, India. So I will be taking the walking tour. Let's see how does New Delhi is looking today. The weather is very pleasant today, and as you can see, after rain it's looking more beautiful to me. See the beauty. It's looking beautiful. So this building is Western Court, a hostel, or you can say that a resident for MP, MLS while they are in Delhi, or they are closed ones to live here. And this is the BSNL building, and that's also the BSNL building. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, a telecom company of Indian government. Water logging on the street. See, everywhere it's waterlogged. If anybody is interested in taking the walking tour of Delhi, New Delhi, or any of the locality of Delhi, Old Delhi, you can contact me on my Instagram ID, which is Amit Banshi 007. You can spell it as AMIT, Amit BANSI, Bansi 007, and I will be taking you with me on a walking tour of Delhi or any of the locality of your choice without any charge, or you required any help while in Delhi or Old Delhi, I will be there to help you out. So this straight road will take me to AIIMS Delhi, and if I take left turn, then the road will take me to the India Gate. So I am thinking that I will take the left turn and I will go towards India Gate. So this is the BSNL building. I will be using the footpath, which will be better for me. The weather is very pleasant. I am loving the weather. Indira Gandhi Center for Arts. Today Delhi is looking beautiful. After rain, I was waiting for the rain so that the weather become pleasant in Delhi. It was very hot till tomorrow. Now it's type of good weather for me. So let's enjoy the walk, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Walking Journey channel. And if you have any suggestion regarding the video, you can contact me or comment me in the section. Or this is Shangri-La Urosh 5-star hotel in New Delhi. So let's enjoy the walk. This is a small park on the roundabout of this road. Let's hop. I will try to cross this road and will see. This is the Shangri-La Eros New Delhi 5-star hotel, and opposite to it is that's the Lee Meridian. Where should I go? This road is known as Ashoka Road. So I will go. So I am closing the camera and I will cross the road. Then I will talk with you. I think the Delhi government bus has had a breakdown on the middle of the road. Let's hop. Where should I go? I will take this footpath. Where am I going? I don't know. This road is known as, what's written there? Raisina Road. If my pronunciation is not right, then correct me. This Lee Meridian. Now I am walking in the capital city of India. This is New Delhi, the capital city of India. So Delhi is not always about dust and crowd and not looking good, not green. See how beautiful it's looking after the rain. And I think so I will be not going forward due to condition of that road, which is flooded. So I think I will not go. See, that's the road. So this is the condition which should must not happen in Delhi or New Delhi because this is the capital of India. So after the rain, the first rain of the monsoon, and this is the condition of the road near to Hotel Le Meridian. So I will be not going. So I will be going in opposite direction. It had rained heavily in the night. So this is the condition, and it's going to rain, I think so, now also. So I should move fast. I will be taking that stretch of road. It will definitely rain. Before that, I have to reach my home. The weather is very pleasant and it had started raining slowly. Let's hop. Where am I going? I don't know till now. If I get any metro station on this route, I will take that and go to my home. Looking beautiful. See the greenery around New Delhi. Wow, waterlogging. Beautiful. New Delhi. I am going Janpath towards India Gate. Let's see where am I going to reach. It's looking pleasant after the rain. I think so. Beautiful weather. If I am going to get waterlogging in front of me, I will take the U-turn and come back again. When I get rich, I will surely stay at this hotel once. If I become rich. I don't know where am I going. Lexus New Delhi. This straight road will take me to AIMS Delhi. It's written. I will take the footpath. Looking beautiful, New Delhi today after the rain. Just enjoy the walk. I will be not saying anything. Dr. Ambedkar International Center. What is this? I don't know. Where should I go? Let's see. Diversion. Common Central Secretariat. Construction is happening for Delhi Secretariat, I think so. What is this? A small park. What is all this about? I don't know on which road I am walking. Let's find some sign. Surely there will be some metro station, so I will be taking that metro station and will be going to my home.